Vending machine. Vending machine. Episode 3. Leo. Vita. Vita, have you seen the other 2 episodes? You have, right? Or am I stupid?
Motherfucker, like I wasn't there the last 2 times.
My bad. Okay. Let's get into it.
Why would I say let's watch Vending Machine if I didn't watch the shit?
I don't know. I forget what we're watching together, to be honest with you.
I know, I'm just getting on ya.
Yeah. We watch so many. Did the village get attacked? What's going on? What?
Seems like it.
He can do that? He's switching the words. He's flipping the... So he's got phrases and he's kind of flipping it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. Hey.
That's a cute way to communicate that.
Hey.
Skip the intro, I'm sorry.
Hey. Let me just get through the last part of it. Hey. Da 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 da. That's all I needed. They might have evacuated. They probably evacuated, actually, now that I'm thinking about it. Holy. They took that shit down? Damn. Whoa. What? She's giving away free... Oh. Oh.
Oh, wow.
Jesus. Jeez.
Oh, the fat makes it yummy.
So they cook the... Well, they are adventures, right?
Yeah, might as well get some food from it.
She is drunk.
I know.
I do appreciate the fact that this girl looks at us as more than just the metal object that we are.
Yeah.
At this point, she talks to us like we're human. Straight up.
Oh shit.
Wow. Yeah, and she wasn't able to hit anything, right? Whenever she was in adventure before Boxo.
Yeah.
So now that she's able to fix those issues, she's like an invaluable asset now.
Right.
Mm. Oh. Damn. I'm sure we'll meet them in other quests, right?
Yeah.
Ah, cool. You big, my guy.
That guy?
Yeah, Gawk guy. Guac guy. You big. Oh. Oh. Hmm. Maybe he can. Can he like pick up a function?
Oh my god, don't say it like that.
So they're having a shortage of gold, silver coins because Boxo has just taken all of them. Is that?
Yep.
Whoa, 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 whoa. It's okay. He's got force field.
What else?
That's about it.
Yeah, sports field. I thought you were gonna list out all his abilities.
I mean, that's the one he got. He could turn into a gumball machine. Yeah, fuck you up right there.
I mean, while that's impressive, I would not classify that as an ability.
he could make a item really hot, then put it under his box so that way it would land on the person's hand, burning you.
So he has heating.
Yes.
Okay.
Yep. I love that the old man just turned into a degenerate gambler for an extra convenience store item. What's up, Bear? Do you need to keep it secret from Lamis? Well, why? This is weird.
Unless They know the better, probably.
Hygiene. What? What are we talking about? Sexually transmitted diseases? What are we on about? What?
I don't know how we got there, buddy, but
Bear,
okay.
Bear, what are we talking about, Bear?
Fair.
What? Does she have a disease? No, no.
She's too pretty to have a disease.
I love that. That should be a t-shirt. She's too pretty to have a disease. What could he possibly sell? What is that?
What? Wait, this.
What is this? Firm fit? Fit of what? No! He's not sending Oh shit! He is not selling condoms. No, no, he is not selling. Ain't no way. Ain't no.
Would you want to be a vending machine now, Leah?
They ain't using that on me. No. What? There's instructions for it? Well, isn't that dandy, huh? Oh my gosh. To prevent sexually transmitted diseases, we'll be using condoms.
I mean, yeah, guys, stay safe. Safe sex. Yeah.
Practice safe sex all day.
I'm just like, who?
I did not think that was what. Okay, Lamis definitely should have not been there. Thank God. What is she doing? Was she trying to shove rocks into the vending machine?
I think so.
What?
A little arsonist. Oh,
A little
rascal.
little arsonist. Oh, okay. She's that's her way of responding to neglectful parents.
Guess so. Destroy everything sounds about right to me.
If it's a form of attention seeking, right? So
Yeah. I need some water.
want me to pause? Or are you good?
No, I'm getting some right now.
Wow. What? Men's underwear? What is this?
He has no business.
He's selling hair products and body care products.
So,
He also makes it for beast people too?
seems like it. Oh my god.
Wow.
He is just in charge of all of their leisure activities, don't you think?
I think you're right. Yeah.
But I also like the fact that he's like bending them, but there's no like fan service whatsoever.
None.
Just
None.
like
This is completely humble as hell. This is.
it's like y'all need chillax here. Grab a beer, relax in the water.
Have a drink.
Already ahead of you, I just got myself a mic.
Congratulations. You have won an extra gift.
Aw. My heart.
Oh my god, this kid needs to be protected by all the gods. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we don't need to know. We don't need to know that. Let's just say it was. Mimicry. Oh!
Oh shit.
When did he learn that? Well, yeah, how is she supposed to get her favorite coffee milk? What? Oh, she's trying to buy Boxo.
Oh.
Aw.
Hmm.
What?
Oh, what?
What are you on about?
You are a child. Shut the fuck up.
Her mom pads. And that's it. Wow. That was a nice change of pace.
Yeah.
That was a good change of pace episode.
Now we have someone new to add to the cast.
Episode 3. Use safe protection. Vending machine. Thank y'all for joining us in episode 3. Hopefully, I'll use protection and then join us in episode 4.
I would low key be
whenever it
worried
comes
about
up
it
then.
causing a hole in the condom.
What? What? Using a vending machine to buy condoms?
Yeah, you don't see that little swirly bit where it just goes like, it's pretty sharp, ain't it?
Fair point. Fair point. But yeah, we'll see y'all in the next episode when it comes out then.
Bye bye.